Video at the speed of thought. What if your next video cost you nothing but a sentence? You have a 50-page PDF, a complex spreadsheet, or just a rough idea, and you need a high-quality video for it. In the old world, that meant hours of editing, expensive subscriptions, and steep learning curves. What if you could just describe it and be done? Welcome to FrameForge. Our tagline is simple. Write a prompt, get a video. No accounts, no logins, and no subscription fees. Just open the app, describe your vision, and download your MP4. How do we do it? We've built a high-performance pipeline that turns natural language into rendered reality. Ingestion. We use a Python-based sidecar called MarkItDown to instantly parse anything you throw at us. PDFs, Word docs, CSVs, or even raw URLs. The brain. That data is fed into the Google Gemini API, which doesn't just chat, it acts as a director, generating a complete self-contained HyperFrames composition in HTML. The render. This isn't a browser screen recording. Our backend uses the HyperFrames CLI, FFmpeg, and Chromium to record the animation frame by frame, producing a professional-grade MP4 on the server. While the server is forging your video, we've solved the waiting problem with our signature cooking animation. It's a terminal-style theater of motion that lets you watch the AI assemble your video in real time. It feels like watching a film set come to life. From the moment you hit generate to the moment you download your 60 frames per second video, the entire process takes under 60 seconds. And because we value privacy, your files are deleted the moment they are processed. For investors, the opportunity is the architecture. We aren't just a wrapper, we are a stateless video studio. While our MVP is a lean, single-process machine, the road ahead?